Here, eat. Eat. He's happy with the pears. Here's more pears. And next we're gonna do.
He loves his food, boy.
Do you want to feed yourself? I wish you could. Can I have this? Can I have this?
This is what we're gonna show on his first date. On a big giant.
You! Here.
Spoiled little baby. That's a spoiled little baby right there, folks. That's about as spoiled as it gets. Like, now I am happy. Oh no, everything is terrible. I'll tear you. Oh.
Here. Here. Pears.
Lenny. Lenny. Quiet. You be quiet, Len. Okay, 2 minutes.